How to view the delete messages on WhatsApp 2022. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I will going to show you how you can read the delete messages on WhatsApp. So first of all, go into the Play Store. After that, tap in a search bar and type anti-delete. So after that, open the first app right here, that is anti-delete view deleted WhatsApp messages. Simply install the application right here. So once the application have been installed, simply open the app. From here on, you can view the delete messages, that whoever sent you the message, and after sending the message, the person delete the message, the deleted messages. So guys, if you have another way how you can view the delete messages on WhatsApp, you can tell me in the comment section. And also, if you have any question, you can ask me right in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, have a good day.